to our Cooking for the Holidays series, and in this third episode, I am doing the sausage herb stuffing. If this is your first time watching our Cooking for the Holidays series, I recommend you to watch our other videos, which is the maple pecan Brussels sprout, as well as the cornbread with cheddar cheese, and I will put those links in the description box below. So let's prepare our sausage herb stuffing. Okay, so to do our stuffing, we want to dice up some bread here. So I have some bread here. I'm gonna cut this in half. Okay, so I have approximately 10 ounces of the bread diced in cubes. And first of all, we wanted to put this in a baking sheet and we're gonna bake it for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, spread them out. We're gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees. So approximately 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, and this is the color that you will get. I am heating up my pan here. I'm gonna pour some oil and we're gonna brown the package of sausage meat here, so you can just add this in. I have 1 pound of sausage meat. I'm gonna remove that. Okay, so if we are going to cook our sausage meat, we want to break down the sausage meat into smaller pieces. Okay, so I'm just using the spatula right here to press it down a little bit. At the same time, it helped me break down the sausage patty here. Okay, if you see any of these larger chunks, you're just going to use the spatula to kind of separate into smaller pieces. Okay, so now we can remove the sausage into a bowl. Okay, I'm trying to leave some of the oil here in the pan because I'm going to use the same pan to saute the other ingredients here. So here are the ingredients for the sausage herb stuffing. Using the same pan with the sausage that we were cooking before, we're gonna add in our butter. Okay, we wanna add in the onions and our celery. Okay, the garlic here. I'm gonna add in our parsley. Okay, we're gonna add in our sage, as well as our rosemary. I'm gonna season it with some black pepper. Also season it with some salt. You want to fully cook this down. Okay, I'm going to add in 1/3 of rice wine here just to deglaze the pan here. And allow this to cook down. So another 4 minutes or so. I'm going to add in the dried cranberry here. And then I'm gonna add in my chicken stock. Okay, so we can remove this from the heat. Okay, so previously we had browned the sausage meat. We're gonna incorporate the sausage meat with our bread. Okay, so with a wooden spoon, I'm gonna mix mix the bread with the sausage first. Okay, so with our cooked vegetable, we can now pour it into our breading and the sausage here. With your whisked egg, we can add that in as well. And we're gonna give this a good mix here. Definitely smells really nice. So you wanna let the bread, the toasted bread here, to soak up all the liquid that you just pour in. Okay, so let that soak that in. Okay, so as you're stirring, you wanted to make sure the bread is really taking in all the chicken stock that we just pour in with our sausage mixture, the onions, the celery, right? Let it soak up here. All right, so I'm gonna pour this stuffing into a serve pot. All right, so I'm just gonna dash a little bit more pepper here, black pepper. Okay, now we can put this into the oven for 30 minutes, 350 degrees. Okay, we can take a look at our stuffing. Our stuffing is ready to take out, so let's take it out. I hope you enjoyed this video on my sausage herb stuffing. As you can see, I don't have a lot of, breading in this stuffing, which is a good balance in terms of all the flavor with the sausage and all the aromatics, herbs that I have incorporated. I highly recommend you to include this in your Thanksgiving meal menu. It is such a delicious stuffing. And in this case, this is not your very normal stuffing that you just, incorporate vegetable, but there's a kick to it. There's these other aromatic spice as well as your the sausage, and it makes it super delicious. And the cranberry just kind of elevate the dish and make it a whole lot more holiday festive, and it makes it taste so much better.
Just a little preview in terms of what is the next episode. You will see I have a roasted chicken with orange and cumin seed carrots, and this is a replacement of the turkey. So instead of a turkey, you can roast a whole chicken instead. But if you insist to have turkey for Thanksgiving dinner, I also created the roasted stuffed turkey breast with sausage herb stuffing. These two videos will be released at the same time, so you can decide whether you wanted to roast a whole chicken or you just want to roast a turkey breast instead.
And if you found this video useful and helpful, please give me a like below. And if you have not yet subscribed to our food travel shopping channel, please subscribe to our food travel shopping channel and follow us on Instagram as well. And if you want to try out the recipe, I will put the recipe in the description box below. And I wish you a happy Thanksgiving.